Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can make your very own YouTube logo. As you guys can see, I already made mine. It looks cool, it looks clean, and is really easy to make. Alright, I'd like to announce that I'm doing a free Minecraft giveaway, so if you guys want to join, just hit that subscribe button and join the Discord. It's going to be in the description below. Other than that, let's get into this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the description below and you want to go to PIXLR. Alright, so I'll see you guys there. Now that you're here in PIXLR editor, you want to go over here where it says create a new image. Alright, now you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to change the width and height to 512. Make sure it's transparent. Click OK, and then you're gonna have this white box. Alright, now again in the description below, I'm gonna send you a link to DAFONTS. If you guys don't know what DAFONT is basically where you can get your very own fonts for, you know, logos and stuff. So if I just open up DAFONTS right now. Alright, so we're here in DAFONTS and look at all of these cool looking fonts that you can use. I think they're all pretty cool. Alright, so just pick your font, and then after you're done, we're gonna go back to PIXLR editor. Alright, so now that we're back here, you want to go to this A logo or icon. It's going to be called type tool. Make sure you're on that, and you just want to click and just add a text. I'm just going to put C. There you go. Now down here it's going to say font. You click on this little arrow and then you just pick your font. Now change the size. Make sure it's white. And there you go. Now the next step you're going to do is you're going to over here to layers. You're going to right click. And you're going to pick this option right here. Alright. Now that you have that, you're going to go over here on the top. It's going to say edit. Click on that and then you pick free transform. Then you can hold shift and then you can transform this as big as you want. I'm going to make it at least this big. There you go. Now you can tilt it if you want to. And there you go. I think this looks good. And now the next step that you're going to do is that you're going to pick an image from Google. So alright, I think I found my image. It's going to be right here. Alright, there you go. You can see that it's HD and stuff. It looks pretty cool, so just right click and save the image. There you go. Go back to PIXLR editor. And now the next thing you want to do is that you want to go to here to layer. Click on that, and now you're going to click on open image as layer. There you go. Now the thing you want to do is that you want to click over here back to edit and then back to free transform. Now make sure that this is covering up the your logo, your font. All right. There you go, just like that. I think that looks perfect. Now the next step you want to do is oh yeah, you want to apply changes. There you go. Now the next thing you want to do, so you want to click on your C layer. Then you want to click on this wand tool. Now you're not gonna be able to see the C, but um, click anywhere where you think your letter is. So there you go. Now after you have that selected, go back to your second layer or your image. I'm gonna press delete. Oof, that didn't work. Oh wait, yeah, there you go. You have to invert selection and then you can press delete. My bad guys, but I fixed it. There you go. You were supposed to invert the selection and then you're supposed to delete. My bad guys. Anyways, after that, you can right click here. Then you can go to layer styles. And then you can basically mess around. So you can go to your outer glow. There you go. Now you can pick the size, its hardness. There you go. Now I'm gonna make it like black or white. After you have that done, you can go back to your cool images and then just pick another image. Alright, you should do the same exact thing. You go to layer, open image as layer, and then you just find it from there. Alright, oof. Oh wait. I'm just gonna move the image. What about there? If it's like this, then you have to go to the layers and you need to put it like on the back, like right here. There you go. There, you can also delete your C layer right here, your font. Yeah, you can go and delete that. If you guys want to make this smaller, just make sure you're clicking on your background image and go to edit, then tree transform. There you go, it shows. And I think that's good right there. Or I can make it even bigger. There you go, guys. I think this looks pretty cool. Now, if you wanna make it even better, if you wanna change the background, you know, make it any color you want, like purple or blue, you can go over here to filter, and then there's all of these cool stuff. There's blur, blocks, blur. So if I go to blur, oh whoops, box blur. You can adjust its blurriness. I think a 1 is fine. A 1 looks good already. You can go back to filter, or you can go to, wait, where is it? Oh, there's also adjust. Adjust is also really good. Adjust, you can adjust its brightness, and its contrast. Pretty neat stuff. Alright, adjust it again. There's who right here, and who you can change the color. So look how cool this looks. And so there's this. Oh, there you go. If you click colorize, you can, everything goes one color. If you don't, then it's just gonna look like this. So I suggest picking colorize. There you go. Now you want your logo to be the same color, so you click on your logo, and then you can go to adjust, and then, you know, change that as well. And there you go, guys. There is my logo. Also, you want to change it. You know, actually, let's make this purple as well. Actually, you know what? I think white looks fine. Add drop shadow, all that good stuff. There you go, guys. There is my logo. Looks amazing. Alright. Now, you can go to File up here, and then you can click Save. Make sure it is PNG, guys. Make sure it is PNG. Alright. You just download that. And then if you just go back to your, what's it called? Your channel. You can click on your logo on the top right. Then you can go to settings, or you can go to youtube.com/account, and then there you go, right here, edit on Google. Alright, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe. Yeah, other than that, that's gonna be it. If you have any video suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace, guys.